Maybe you want to weld a loop to your fly line, and maybe it's between the shooting head and the running line, or it's just a broken loop that you want to remake. What you need is a piece of shrink tube, and of course your fly line, and a sharp knife, and a heat gun. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to get nice, fine loops that runs extremely well through your guides. You take your fly line and the end of it, you take it, stretch it so it's as straight as it can be from the beginning. Then you place it onto a flat surface in the straightest possible angle that you can have. Then you take a sharp tool and you shave off the coating of your fly line so that you can just about see the cord inside. Here you see the cord inside, so we have the PVC or the polyurethane coating on the outside, and we have the Dacron cord inside. You want to have this as smooth as possible. This was not perfect, as you can see over there, but in the beginning it turned out pretty nice. The smoother this cut will be, depending on how sharp your knife is, the better your results will become. And then you take the second side, you place the side that you just shaved off to the board, and then we're going to shave off an equal length on the other side. So we start there. And you can now see the cord sitting inside the PVC coating on both sides. And as you also can see, I haven't fractured the cord in the center. And it starts about there and it finishes about there. At this point, you take your PVC running line, which also contains a cord inside. Then you take your tube, and you stick the tube onto your fly line, the shrink tube. Here you need to make sure that you cover a little bit more from there to there than the intended section to be welded. So this is about enough. Here we just need to make sure that the orange lines are staying on the sides where they should be. And you can push them around a little bit so that they're straight. So here you can see this one is straight. And this one is a little bit pushing on the end tag. And there we go, that one's straight as well. And they're lying, both of them, right on top of the green fly line. Now all we need is to mount our heat gun so that we can properly see what's happening inside the shrink tube when we melt them together. Because we don't want to overheat the material, and we don't want it to be too little heat supplied, because then they won't weld together in a nice fashion. So the only thing we need to do now is to turn on the heat gun, and we turn it on at the lowest setting, and then we're going to supply enough heat just about so that it melts, and we will see it melt inside the shrink tube. happens if you heat it too much. Then the plastics of the shrink tube will fall apart and you have to do everything again. So here we go again, this time with a little bit more distance to the heat source. So at the end of the day, when you have removed the plastic tube, the shrink tube, you will have created yourself a loop like this. And as you can see, it's melted completely around the core fly line, which is in the center, the green line. And this one is super strong. Here I attached it to a spectral line. I'm going to try to pull. And this is impossible to tear apart. Since everything is melted together, it becomes stronger than any type of knot. Well, you can probably do this much better than me, and it has a lot to do with how particular you are with cutting the core line so that it becomes uniform. Yeah, that's about it. Good luck with yours. Thanks for watching.